Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the captivating world of automotive restoration and innovation. Today, we're exploring the exhilarating trend of Restomods, where classic cars meet modern performance. From preserving automotive heritage to embracing sustainable technology, join us as we uncover the unique allure of these revitalized classics. Buckle up, because the journey is about to begin. In the ever-evolving landscape of automotive enthusiasts, a captivating trend has emerged: the Restomod movement. This phenomenon combines the meticulous restoration of classic cars with the integration of modern components and technologies, resulting in a harmonious blend of vintage charm and contemporary performance. Let's delve deeper into the reasons behind the rising popularity of Restomods, explore the unique appeal of these revitalized classics, and examine the intriguing subset of electric Restomods, preserving automotive heritage. Classic cars stand as tangible relics of automotive history, encapsulating the design principles and engineering ingenuity of their time periods. Restomods emerge as crucial custodians of this legacy, infusing fresh vitality into these iconic vehicles. Through precise restoration and integration of contemporary features, Restomods uphold the relevance of vintage cars on modern roads, while honoring their illustrious heritage. By marrying tradition with innovation, they breathe new life into these timeless machines, ensuring they captivate enthusiasts both old and new. In the fusion of past and present, Restomods not only preserve the essence of classic automobiles but also propel them into the future, where they continue to inspire awe and admiration. Modern tech meets vintage charm. Restomods enchant aficionados with their adept fusion of vintage charm and cutting-edge performance and convenience enhancements. They artfully meld nostalgic design cues from classic cars with the safety, reliability, and dynamic capabilities of today's vehicles. Enthusiasts revel in the timeless allure of vintage aesthetics while craving modern advancements in automotive technology. Restomods emerge as the ideal answer, seamlessly delivering the best of both realms without sacrificing style or functionality. Drivers delight in the evocative lines and distinctive features of classic automobiles, now paired with the reassurance of contemporary safety standards and the exhilaration of enhanced performance. With Restomods, enthusiasts indulge in a harmonious marriage of past and present, where every drive is a nostalgic journey imbued with the thrill of cutting-edge innovation. Investment potential. Restomods, beyond their inherent allure, also present a compelling opportunity for investors. Classic automobiles have enjoyed a long-standing reputation as appreciating assets, with their values often escalating over time. Through meticulous execution of a Restomod project, aficionados can not only elevate the aesthetic appeal of their vehicles, but also bolster their intrinsic worth. This synergistic blend of visual enhancement and investment viability renders Restomods an exceedingly enticing proposition for discerning collectors and enthusiasts alike. The meticulous attention to detail, integration of modern technology, and preservation of heritage imbue these creations with a unique charm that resonates with aficionados and investors seeking both tangible and intangible returns. Consequently, the allure of Restomods transcends mere admiration, offering a tangible avenue for enthusiasts to cultivate and safeguard their passion while concurrently augmenting their financial portfolios. Uniqueness and personalization. At the heart of the Restomod movement lies a captivating allure: the freedom for personalization and customization. Unlike factory-produced vehicles constrained by standardized specifications, Restomods offer owners a canvas to mold according to their unique preferences and driving inclinations. From an array of engine choices and suspension upgrades to bespoke interior modifications and custom paint finishes, the realm of customization knows no bounds. This extensive scope for personalization guarantees that each Restomod emerges as a genuine embodiment of its owner's individual tastes and desires, culminating in an unparalleled and truly one-of-a-kind driving encounter. This symbiotic fusion of vintage charm with contemporary ingenuity not only elevates the driving experience but also fosters a profound sense of connection and ownership, underscoring the enduring appeal of the Restomod ethos in the automotive landscape. The evolution of electric Restomods. In the realm of automotive restoration, a captivating evolution has emerged alongside traditional restomods, the rise of electric restomods. Departing from the conventional integration of modern internal combustion engines into classic chassis, these innovative projects entail the replacement of original gasoline powertrains with electric motors and battery packs. This shift towards electrification introduces a myriad of distinctive advantages and challenges, setting it apart as a fascinating sub-trend within the restoration community. Embracing sustainability and cutting-edge technology, electric restomods offer enhanced efficiency, reduced emissions, and a quieter, smoother driving experience. However, this transition also poses intricate technical hurdles, including adapting chassis dynamics to accommodate electric drivetrains and navigating the intricacies of battery management and integration. Despite these complexities, the allure of electric restomods lies in their potential to blend timeless design with forward-thinking innovation, reshaping the landscape of automotive restoration while championing a greener, more sustainable future. Sustainable performance. Among the myriad reasons advocating for electric restomods, sustainability and environmental friendliness stand out as particularly compelling. Electric motors deliver instantaneous torque and remarkable acceleration, frequently outpacing the capabilities of their gasoline-powered counterparts, all the while emitting zero emissions. This blend of high performance and environmental responsibility resonates profoundly with eco-conscious enthusiasts, eager to diminish their carbon footprint without compromising on driving exhilaration. The allure of electric restomods lies not only in their capacity to deliver thrilling performance, but also in their contribution towards a cleaner, greener automotive landscape. By embracing electric propulsion, enthusiasts can indulge their passion for classic vehicles while actively participating in the transition towards a more sustainable future where driving pleasure and environmental stewardship seamlessly converge. Reduced maintenance. In addition to their environmental benefits, electric restomods also offer practical advantages in terms of maintenance and ownership costs. Electric vehicles require significantly less maintenance compared to their gasoline-powered counterparts, thanks to the simplified nature of electric drivetrains and the absence of complex internal combustion components. This translates to lower operating costs and greater reliability over the long term, making electric restomods an appealing option for enthusiasts seeking a hassle-free driving experience. A modern driving experience. Beyond their environmental and economic benefits, electric restomods also offer a modern and refined driving experience. The quiet, smooth power delivery of electric motors complements the classic car's aesthetics, providing a serene and tranquil driving experience devoid of engine noise and vibration. This seamless integration of modern technology with vintage styling creates a truly unique driving experience that appeals to a wide range of enthusiasts, from traditionalists to forward-thinking innovators. In conclusion, the Restomod movement represents a compelling fusion of classic aesthetics and modern performance, offering enthusiasts the opportunity to experience the best of both worlds. Whether it's preserving automotive heritage, embracing modern technology, or indulging in personalized customization, Restomods cater to a diverse range of tastes and preferences. Furthermore, the emergence of electric Restomods introduces an exciting new dimension to the trend, offering sustainable performance and a modern driving experience without compromising on vintage charm. As the automotive world continues to evolve, Restomods are poised to remain a prominent and enduring fixture, captivating enthusiasts and collectors for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey through the world of Restomods. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or a fan of cutting-edge technology, there's something for everyone here. Until next time, keep the passion for automotive excellence alive. See you in the next video.